Hello. Good morning, afternoon, or evening. Welcome back to the channel once again. And if it is your first time here, my name is Gigo, and today we are back at the renovation project where we convert an old single floor structure into a story building. So at the second level, we have two-bedroom. It has its own living room, kitchen, and also a balcony. So in my last update, we started with the wood trusses for the roofing, which you can see now. We have FO on this one. FO is doing the roofing for this project. So today's episode is going to be about the finishing part of this roofing. And if you are interested to see more, you can go to my playlist. You see how we started with the roofing and also how we were able to convert this structure into a story building. I would also like to mention that we are close to the sea, so we won't be using aluminium roofing sheet. We'll be going for the slate because the old structure already had the slate on this building, so we wanted to save cost also. So then we have to just bring them back the old slate and buy few more to top it up. Buying 0.5 mm thickness aluminium will cost a lot with this project.
Therefore, the thing they go on. So the roof is ongoing. The secret roof, the painted slate asbestos on the secret roof. So by the wall side, meaning the motor can touch it directly without anything. So after the waterproof painting, they come on the wall and then the gutters and everything. Then you are safe to go. No leakage. That is what we do. You can see this wood is nicely arranged. This is the painted roof being stacked at the floor. So everything ready. Effort is on.
So that's Brother Sammy for you, the engineer helping out, to get the work done. And as he said, we have to use waterproof painting to paint, the slate. Normally it comes in gray color, but for protection, we went with the red color. It comes in many colors though.
Yeah, the secret roof. Ladies, more portion.
So it's getting a bit windy, so I just have to come in with my voice over. But you can see the work is almost done here. And if we just have to finish this part and then he will be done. And this is just like I would say that the second phase of the roofing. We still have to go with protecting it from leakage, which is the edges. We have to do some sealing and painting and all of those, but that will come in my next episode. That's why you have to subscribe to the channel or you follow this project in my playlist called the Renovation Project. So you can check it out. Very nicely done here. These are slates that we took from the old structure. So we just don't demolish and destroy things anyhow. We were able to kept, the old roofing, and then here we are again, reusing it again, the slate, reusing it for the new structure. I think the owner has to buy few, but it wasn't that much. It was just few. You can see that these are old slates. Even when we go inside, you will see it for yourself. And these are some of the pluses, you get from, the production group, planning, good maintenance. The owner could have just spent another maybe 30,000 Ghana cedis just to get all the roof again. If we wouldn't have planned ahead, or we even care less, and we just started with the expansion, just breaking things anyhow, we wouldn't have saved so much. And it wasn't only about the sheet, it was also about the wood. We still use the old wood that we took from the old structure. And then we did a little bit of top up, which you can see on your screen. And that's how we got a job done. And this is how you save cost. And I believe that the owner have saved 17 to 80% on cost. And this is just just paying attention and planning ahead. That's what we do here at Gigo Production Group. We just don't accept your work and because we want to work. No, we do good analysis. We look into things before we accept your work. So that's all that I have for you for today. Thanks for staying with me to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in my next episode. Let's do it.